What's going on? Welcome back, G35 community. And here I am. It's me, Jesse. What's up? And alright, so pretty much as you can tell here, I have taken quite a bit of parts out already. I want to taking out the upper radiator hose, taking out the radiator cap, taking out the clutch fan plus the fan shroud together, which you can see it's on over here. That's what the parts look like. This is the fan shroud and the fan clutch, the fan itself. But I have a new one to put in this area here. I'm taking out the air intake with the mass airflow sensor connection. I'm taking out the thermostat itself. It's just that. That's what it looks like. The hoses are connected to it. I will be taking off the belts pretty soon. And right now, actually, I have undone a lot of these bolts already. I'm going to be taking out the intake plenum itself. So I'm taking out all the bolts that I need to take out. And I mean, I understand that a lot of these bolts are pretty much the same, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make like little markings, just like little slashes on them, like a Sharpie marker. So pretty much like saying if this was the first one, I just mark one line like that way you can see it there, and then I just mark one line there, and two here, maybe 1, 2, and then you could do 1, 2, 3, and make a dot actually like that. I mean, it really doesn't matter to a point, but that's what I'm going to do because some of these bolts are a little bit odd, or I could just do it on certain ones. Like even this one right here, I could just do the 1-on-1 because it's just that type. Especially over here, I have another one. I make 2 dots and 2 dots there. And it's up to whoever does it. That's just the way I do my things. And then, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of bolts, and especially taking this bolt out so we can move this guy, take this clip off here to be able to remove that to the side, and then I undid this little clip here so I can take this off here. So then when I take this piece off, because this is 2 pieces, this will come off with it with the actual throttle body itself. And I'm just gonna be showing the video as I go, taking things apart. So I'm just gonna do it as great as I can with this, and just bear with me, everyone. I'm just hoping that all this ends up very well, where I can be driving this car back on the road again, because it's a fun vehicle to drive. I put in some nice rims on it with brand new tires. I've redone a few things inside the car, and I'm just having a fun time with this car, and I just want to restore it back to health. So we meet again. It's me, Jesse, signing off.